We're going off-road, way back off the highway.
Help us reach our goal of 750 by hitting subscribe, hit that notification bell, like, comment, and share. Guys, we're doing another giveaway. To find out more, click here and link will be in the description.
What's up, guys? Super exciting day today. Today is finally the day that we are going to put the 1-ton axles on the TJ. So we are super excited. Hope you guys are too. But first, if you're new to the channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. If you want to catch up on the rest of Project TJ, you can click right somewhere around in this region, somewhere up here. Let's get it. Alright guys, the first thing we got to do is get this old axle out and make room for the new one that we got laying over here on the side. You can see Jamie's about to jack it up. So what we're going to try to do, sorry about the cars, but because of the long arms, we're going to get jack stands and put some tires maybe on the skid plate so we have the whole front open so we can just slide this one out, slide the new one in, easy peasy. So we're going to get this jacked up, get some jack stands on it, we'll catch back up with you guys. Alright guys, you can see we got the tires off, we got the jack stands on, and we're about to remove the springs. There's enough droopage, I think, to just pull these springs out. Then we got to remove the shocks, and then we're going to have to remove the drive shaft. We got to remove the control arms, the drag bar, and the track bar. And then this thing, and the brakes, and then it should come out. So we're gonna remove the springs and then I guess the drive shaft. Alright guys, we gotta remove the retainer clip to get the springs out. Jamie's doing that now. Alright, the retainer clip's out. The spring should slide right out. You might have to get a spring compressor. Alright, so Jamie decided to get new shocks for this project, so we're going to unbolt them from the top instead. And just take them out with the axle. While he's working on that, I'm going to go unbolt the drive shaft. Alright, we got the drive shaft off. We're going to tie it up out of the way. Jamie's about to work on the track bar bolt. You can see you got the nut off. We're about to take that off. Alright, we got the drive shaft tie wrapped out of the way. He got the shock nuts off the top. He got the nut off the back of the track bar. He's about to remove it now. We're gonna have to beat it out. Alright, we had to put a jack underneath the axle to relieve the tension. There goes the track bar. But we had to put a jack underneath to get the track bar bolt out. Keep that in mind. Alright, we pulled the axle vent tube off. Now he's taking off the drum. And the drag bar will come down. Alright. So, brakes and control arms. Once again, use tie wraps to hold that shit out of the way. Alright, so we're going to take the brakes off. We're going to leave the caliper on the brake line for now. I don't know what that was about. But we're going to leave the caliper on the brake line for now so we don't lose a bunch of fluid until we figure out the brakes with the new axle. And the same with the drive shaft. We'll have to take it out and figure something out with it. But for now, we're just tying it up out of the way. Is that right?
That's right. We just want to see what the axle's going to look like.
Alright, let's get it. Alright, so we took the brake off, and once again, tie wraps to the rescue. And now we're going to decide to take off the control arms on this side so we are completely done on this side. Alright, well, let's tension off the jack. And it came out. It's coming out. Alright, we got the upper off. Now we're going to remove the lower.
Because you doubted it.
That's what it was. Sometimes you just gotta doubt a little bit. So step up to the plate. Alright. Out. Alright guys, so now we're gonna remove the brakes and control arms on this side, and then we're gonna slide this axle out. Alright, we're gonna remove the upper control arm. Lower control arm. And take these brakes off. And this thing is ready to, I mean, it's about out already. One down. Hey, Jeremiah. Alright, we got the brake off, tie wrapped out of the way, and Jamie's about to take the lower control arm bolt out. Alright, now that he's got that bolt out, the whole axle is completely detached, and we're going to use the jack to slide it out of the way and get the new axle in place.
Let's do it. You know what we should do actually? Why don't we put wheels under it? I got some old spare wheels back here. Why don't we just throw some little donuts and roll it around? Yeah. Wouldn't that be easier? Alright.
Alright, we got the axle out. Now it's time to put the new one in.
So we probably need to put a jack, spin it around, put a jack under it so it'll stay
In place. Or pull the control arms up real quick and try to get the bolts in the control arms first.
Yeah.
I have a
We can
feeling
do
you're
that.
going to need a spring compressor to get these springs in.
Well, we take the tires off and lower them down.
Oh yeah, we could make it droop again.
Yeah, because these are going to droop like a motherfucker.
Okay, let's see how far off on the I guess
That looks like, dude. It don't look like we're too terribly off right now. Let's try to get the tires lined up square again.
oh shit, you're smashing into that. Needs to spin the diff.
Alright. Alright, I got it. If you'll put the if you'll set a jack under it or something.
Alright, you got it?
Yeah.
Where the hell's the jack at? Seriously,
Alright, hold on.
you were in? Why are you taking it out?
Yeah, I'm about ready. I can drop this one in.
Okay.
I just got to take the damn bolts and put that.
Alright, we got it slid underneath here, and Jamie is working to see. He's almost got the control arms on. What's up?
I'm getting it to rock into place. Can you hold that right there? This?
Yeah.
The bar? Steering? The bar? The steering.
Alright, so he's working on the lower control arm. I think we just happen to luck up. What you need?
Come on, baby. Alright, I've got it in. It might be that I think we need to. The axle on the other side needs to go around.
Alright, so we're going to try to situate this axle and put you guys on a tripod. Alright, so the whole axle needs to go to the right a little bit. So we're going to jack it up a little bit and try to slide it over where it needs to go. Set you guys down right here for a second.
Alright, I guess one of us is pull and one of us is push.
Ready?
Yeah. That moved a good bit. Alright, let's see what we got going on now. Dude, that looks so sexy, dude.
That looks funny. Alright. So, of course, we'll measure this and get it centered before we put the track bar on, but we're going to go ahead and get the control arms on and start working our way back to get. We won't be able to get all of it done. We'll have to figure out something for the steering, obviously. The brakes should work out hopefully pretty well. We'll have to figure out something for the drive shaft, but we're going to get as much as we can done on this. Alright, we got the bottom on that side on. We're going to try to get this bottom on this side on. Yeah, come towards me.
Hold on 1 second. Let's go ahead and get these. Alright, I think it just fell in place.
In place.
Alright, now that lines up. It's a lot shorter, but it lines up.
You'll have to adjust the upper, it looks like.
But that one over there, I don't know, it might line up now, but
It's got to go line up better because that side needed to come back to match the angle better. I think you pull that out, we can make something happen.
I think, I don't know, dude, it's pretty bad. I don't know, I'll figure it out.
Alright, we're going to take the upper control arms off. They're adjustable. We're going to adjust them out further and try to get these uppers in. Alright, so we rough-eyed our pinion angle about roughly where we need it. We can adjust it later when we actually deal with the drive shaft issue. And we're going to adjust these out to get everything roughly about where it needs to sit. And Jimmy's adjusted them now. Once again, this project held together by tie wraps.
Oh, we're not far enough.
Oh no, really?
Yeah, we're about half a bolt off.
So we had some trouble with the upper control arm bolt holes lining up. I don't know if that was something that we messed up in the truss or maybe if it's something in the long arms. We came up with a solution for the problem though, so make sure you tune in next week so you guys can check out the solution that we came up with. Thanks for watching, and as always,
Nacho.